First, you preheat the stove. Oh wait, no, not wrong one. This one. Ting. Preheat that to 4. You get a pan. You pop it on the stove that you've heated up. Then you get all your ingredients. We've got ham right here. We've got cheese right here. And we got wraps. Sometimes you need butter, but not in this case. You don't need it. So grab yourself one of these. And then just pop it in there.
Bro, I'm really about to get your piccochini now, boy.
Like that, alright. Then you get the cheese, cut it up. Boom. Make sure you get a good amount of cheese.
Ouch.
Okay, that's good enough amount of cheese. See that? That is the perfect amount of cheese. See that? Next, you get the cheese, you just cut and you pop it in.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So I've gone for
5. Oh, 5's the perfect amount. Who am I kidding? I don't get money from this shit. Right now, I'm editing on an aeroplane. That's why the quality of this mic audio is so fucking shit. Anyway, swiftly moving on.
So once you got your cheese, you get your ham. Get your ham, put in a packet. 2 slices of ham. Bam. Ooh. Flop. Flop. That's your ham right there. Then you get your second wrap, large wrap in the packet, and you just push it against this one, so it's like sort of like a sandwich. So it's been cooking for about half a minute now. So you want to get one of these spoon things, spatulas, and you want to just dig underneath. So flip like that. Lovely. So I don't know if you guys know that this is the perfect meal if you you're really hungry and you have not got a lot of time. Obviously I'm making this in like 5 minutes, so just there cooking away. Yeah. So yeah, let's carry on. Okay, so perfect. It's great. Okay, so there you have it. This is the cheese and ham wrap, Josh's version. Look at that, melted cheese. Ooh. So I'm gonna eat this now. It's so good. Oh yeah.